Clear nail tips applied with rubber base coat, no nail glue required, just a clean extension you can do at home. Most people press the tip straight down onto the nail. That's what causes air bubbles. The angle is everything. Let me show you. Before starting, make sure your rechargeable nail tip lamp is fully charged. To charge, plug the USB-C end of the cable into the lamp and the USB-A end into a wall, charger, computer or power bank. The LCD battery indicators will flash while charging and stop once full. Press the power button on the rechargeable nail tip lamp to turn it on. It will default to the 45-second setting. When you're ready to cure, you just hover your nail under the lamp head. The sensor will activate automatically and begin the countdown. To select a different curing time, press the 10-second, 30-second or 60-second button. The countdown will start immediately. Tap the same button again to stop. Once set, you can hover your nail under the lamp to cure hands-free at that time. Now that we've set up our lamp, let's apply the tips. Select the nail tip that best matches your natural nail. A well-fitting nail tip should cover your nail from sidewall to sidewall without touching your skin or cuticle. This one is slightly too big and this one is slightly too small, so I'm in between sizes. If that happens, choose a larger nail tip and lightly file the sides or cuticle area for a perfect fit. Lightly brush away any dust with a dust brush before continuing. Once your tips are sized, begin prepping your nails. Rub a small amount of cuticle remover on each cuticle and allow it to quickly soften overgrown skin. Gently push back any cuticles that have grown over the nail bed using an orange wood cuticle stick or cuticle pusher. Use a lint-free wipe moistened with gel nail polish remover or a pure acetone wipe to thoroughly clean your nails. If needed, use cuticle nippers to carefully remove any loose or dead skin. Do not cut living skin. If your nails need shortening, trim with the nail clippers. Then using the 180 grit side of your nail file to your desired shape. Make sure the edges are smooth. Using the fine 180 grit side of your nail file, gently buff the entire surface of each nail. Make sure the whole nail appears dull. Pay particular attention to the sides and around the cuticles, as this is where lifting may occur if not buffed correctly. Brush away any dust with a dust brush, then use a lint-free wipe moistened with gel nail polish remover or a pure acetone wipe to thoroughly clean each nail. Put on your anti-UV gloves to protect your hands from UV exposure. Alternatively, apply sunscreen to your hands 15 to 30 minutes before the next steps. Use a lint-free wipe moistened with gel nail polish remover or a pure acetone wipe to thoroughly clean each nail, including under the tip and around the cuticles. This removes dust and oils while dehydrating the nail. Optionally, apply a thin coat of pH bond and air dry for 60 seconds. Follow with a thin coat of nail primer, also left to air dry for 60 seconds. Both improve adhesion. Apply a thin, even layer of rubber base coat inside the nail tip, covering the area that will sit over your natural nail. Then paint a small bead at the inner base of the tip. This ensures full coverage right where the nail tip meets your natural nail. Position the tip just above the cuticle at a 45-degree angle, then slowly press it down so the rubber base coat spreads evenly across your natural nail without air bubbles. Hold firmly at the free edge. If any product seeps out from the sides or cuticle area, do not cure. Remove the tip, clean off the excess, and reapply using a smaller amount of rubber base coat. Get the angle right and the rest of the application takes care of itself. Place your finger under the head of the rechargeable nail tip lamp to activate the hands-free sensor. Hold the nail tip firmly in place at the free edge, keeping your finger flat to prevent slipping. Make sure the LED light fully covers where the tip meets your natural nail, then hold for 10 to 15 seconds without adjusting the tip. Once all the tips are applied, complete a full 60-second cure under the Gelish UV LED gel nail lamp. Using the fine 180 grit side of your nail file the nail tips to your desired length and shape. Using the same nail file or the 240 grit small sanding drill bit for more precision, file around the edge of each nail tip to blend it into your natural nail for a seamless finish. Lightly buff the surface of each nail tip. Remove buffing dust by dusting your nails with a dust brush, then wiping each nail with a lint-free wipe moistened with gel nail polish remover or a pure acetone wipe. Apply a thin layer of rubber base coat over each nail tip where it meets your natural nail. This blends the joint further and helps seal the nail tip in place. If your nail tip sits a little further up the nail, spend extra time on this step. The more gap there is between the tip and your cuticle, the more blending it will need. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply 1 to 3 thin coats of Angelic, capping the free edge after each coat. Cure each coat for 60 seconds. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply cuticle oil to the skin surrounding your nails and work it in. This is what makes a whole manicure look finished. That's your nail tip application using rubber base coat. Clean, simple, and built to last. Subscribe to keep up with our latest tutorials. See you next time!